Hello, I'm Ed Robbins and you're watching a Co-op Minute. As the seasons are changing and we're heading into the colder months, it's essential to be sure your vehicle is ready to keep you moving all winter long. Checking the battery is a great place to start when winterizing your car. You can go to any local co-op auto shop and they will test your battery to see if it needs to be replaced. No one wants to be stranded with a dead battery. Next up is tires. Proper tire traction is critical on wet, slippery, and icy roads. Be sure to check your tire pressure and tread depth. To check your tread depth, place a penny between the treads of your tire. If Lincoln's head is fully visible, your tread is too shallow, indicating you may need new tires. If you think you might need new tires, be sure to visit your local Co-op Tire Center. Be sure to check your antifreeze and coolant levels. These fluids prevent your engine from freezing and ensure that it runs smoothly in cold temperatures. Top them off if needed. Your Co-op carries a variety of brands to choose from. Visibility is always necessary when driving, but even more so in the winter months when freezing rain, sleet, and snow can cover and freeze your windshield. Be sure to replace your worn-out wiper blades and top off your windshield wiper fluid. Finally, keep a roadside emergency kit in the car. Many co-ops are ready and able to help you with all these areas to ensure you are ready for winter. Thanks for watching this week's Co-op Minute.